How to remove age restriction in YouTube application. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to remove age restriction on YouTube application. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open the application itself. Then here on the bottom right corner you can see a new option, simply click onto it. Then here on the top right corner you can see a gear icon, simply click onto it. Go to general. Then here scroll down and here you can see an option named restricted mode. Make sure it is toggled off. If toggled on, then the age restriction will be turned on. So make sure to toggle it off. But it may vary if your Google account from which you have opened your YouTube account has some age restriction or has some age limits. You might have entered the wrong age, so make sure to enter the right age in your Google account as well. So in this very simple way you could fix your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.